What's going on, guys? This is Josh with Geargazm, and I have Andy from Line 6 here. He's going to be showing us the Stagescape MD20 today. How's it going?
Going great, thanks.
Wonderful. What do we have here?
This is the Stagescape M20D. This is our new Line 6 mixer that we just announced at the NAMM show. It has auto-sensing jacks. It can actually load presets where you're actually going to be able to pull up EQ, compression, reverb, and you can actually arrange your entire thing. It's very similar to like an iPad style device. So you're going to be able to mix your monitors, your effects, all of your performance right off of this iPad style device along with these encoders here. So we plug it in, we've got self-sensing monitors. You're going to notice here that I've got an XLR plugged in here, so you're just saying mic. I can rename that. So for example, let's say we want to change that to mic. We'll just do that. It's kind of hard to type on my side here, so we go, okay. So now you'll notice that I've just renamed that, so I could rename this for any of the performers or any of the devices that are going to be on stage. Now, let's say I need to do the auto trim, right? I need to do my gain structure. So all I do is I hit auto trim, and normally you would be speaking into the mic, the old check 1, 2, as the sound man is going to be dialing in your gain. Well, the computer is actually going to do that for us here, and as you watch it, now it's actually dialed in. So I don't have to know how to dial in for unity gain anymore.
Idiot proof.
For the most part. Okay, so now you're going to notice that our mic is at center stage. It's been dialed in EQ-wise, but maybe I want to dial it, make it a little brighter. So what I'm going to do is over here on the left side, I actually have these 5 buttons here. Currently I'm in setup. I'm going to go to tweak mode. So I hit that, and now it's going to give me an XY style screen, similar to what people maybe are used to with like a chaos pad. So I'm going to hit tone. Now notice here, it's going to use terminology that everyday musicians are going to know how to use. So I want it brighter or darker or more body. You don't need to know your frequencies. You can just say, okay, I'm just going to take this guy, move it over to bright or dark, and so on. And you can just move this around, find whatever works best for what sounds good, and then you're done. Or if you do know your frequencies and you want to go in and edit further, you can hit the Smart Kid hat, and now you actually get these different full controls. So for example, I need to change my compression. I can do it down here, and you'll notice that the encoders are colored differently depending on what it's controlling. Right. So I can do that, or I can just jump up here with my finger and I can move things around. Same thing for the EQ. I can get in here and I can bring up or down any frequency that I need to get it to sound the way I want to. So at the top of the interface here, I'm going to have 12 XLR 1/4 inch combi jacks. I also have 4 1/4 inch line inputs. I have 4 monitor line outs. I've got 2 XLR left and right outs, and I've got the L6 digital link for the digital output. You'll notice here I've got a few different computer interfaces here. I've got a USB to go to Mac or PC, USB for like a wave, for recording waves, which is going to be 24-bit 48K, or I can also go to my SD card. It's going to be shipping in March at $24.95.